What up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, and if you are new, what's up? Today I am going to be doing a at-home keratin treatment because I don't know if y'all see what I see right now, okay? But this is unacceptable. It's not manageable. I can't do nothing with it. I'm getting really irritated, girl. I can't live like that. I look like the Wicked Witch of the West. If you have the same problem where your hair gets frizzy, especially right now, spring, summer, you get those humid days and your hair's just acting up and it's being really unsupportive of you, you need to do something about it. I'm here to help you out, okay? Let's do this together. I'll walk you through it. You will see how simple it is. And, you know, once you go to the keratin, you probably never go back like me. This is, you know, several months after my keratin treatment. This is what I'm looking like. I can't. If you're interested in doing this keratin treatment with me, you're gonna need a few things. Number one, you're gonna need yourself a keratin treatment. I got the Ion. I'm pretty sure there's other brands that are just as good, but this is about $30 at Sally's Beauty Hair Supply. I've always loved the brand Ion. It's awesome. This comes with your keratin, your brush, your gloves, the whole 9 yards. And you have about 2 keratin treatments in here, so it's about 15 bucks a pop when you think of it that way. You're also gonna need yourself a mixing bowl, okay? You're gonna put your keratin in here. I mean, you could use any other bowl, like a normal bowl that you have laying around, but unless you want your cereal to taste like keratin, I would highly suggest you get this as like 80 cents or something at Sally's Beauty Hair Supply. You're gonna need yourself a blow dryer. You're also gonna need to get yourself a hair clip, girl. Last but not least, you're gonna need yourself a hair straightener. So before I begin, just wanna let you know this is not a permanent straightening treatment. This is just a keratin. It just seals the keratin into your hair, helps it defrizz it, helps it look nice and polished, and it's easy to manage, and it becomes just easier to style. Your life just becomes easier. This treatment comes with gloves already, and it comes with a brush, so you are good to go. You got your clarifying shampoo and the actual keratin treatment. So you're gonna take your clarifying shampoo out, and you're gonna wash your hair, girl. Let's go wash all this product and all this crap out of my hair right now. We're gonna go wash it out. We're gonna go clarify the hair and strip it of everything. Let's do it. Okay. So now that you clarified your hair, you're gonna wanna put these gloves on. You're gonna wanna put them on because you're gonna burn yourself if you don't. So we're gonna take the keratin smoothing treatment, and just a heads up before you begin this process, altogether, you can't wet your hair for 3 days or put it in any tight restraint. So if you plan on like sweating it out at the gym, don't do this. And if you need to put your hair back in a tight ponytail, don't do that either. Make sure you got like a 3-day weekend or something and that you're just gonna hang out in, and you should be fine. Usually about half this bottle you wanna do per session. So you got your keratin all set up for you. Okay, now we're gonna just brush out our hair a little bit using my new wet brush. Thanks, Anila. I love it, girl. So now on medium heat, you're gonna blow dry your hair without doing anything to it. You ain't gonna put nothing in it. You just clarified it, and now you're just gonna blow dry it. So now your hair is gonna feel like a hot frizzy ball of cotton. That is why we're doing a keratin treatment, okay? So make sure it's completely dry. Now you're gonna grab your keratin treatment. We're gonna grab our clip and we're gonna put little sections down like this. Little sections at a time we're gonna do. Don't oversaturate it, because if you do that, your keratin's gonna be too thickly on and it's gonna end up making your hair sticky as and believe me, I've been there, done that, and I had to completely wash the keratin out. Okay. Move on to the next section. First layer done. I'm just gonna like pick out little pieces here. Do one at a time. Alrighty, got all my keratin in my hair, and now your hair should be not overly saturated, but just lightly damp with your keratin. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna blow dry your hair again. Spanx. Okay. Woo! Oh my God! All right, guys. So now you blow dried that keratin. Right now, your hair is gonna feel real nasty. So now you're gonna take your hair straightener, because the process ain't over until you seal that keratin in. That's hot as hell. So you're gonna do like you did before, and you're just gonna do little sections at a time. Okay, look at that pom-pom on top of my head. Here we go, the final stage. What? Thank you. Thanks. And we are done. Look at this. Oh. So if you guys forgot what it looked like before, I'm gonna go ahead and insert that damn picture right now. I could be wrong, but ever since I've been doing these keratin treatments on my hair, I noticed my hair growing significantly, because the sealing in all the keratin, it like prevents all that breakage and the snappage. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it a little helpful. If you're thinking about doing a keratin treatment, I highly suggest it. Give it a go, try it at home, follow this video tutorial, and you're on your way to frizz-free hair all summer. Thank you for watching. Bye. Oh my God. Look at this. I smell something burning. That looks so stupid.